In this video, I'll be unboxing an order from TEMU, delivered to me in Mexico by jtexpress. I placed an order for 3 items, a facial device and 2 dog grooming combs. As you can see in this screenshot of my TEMU orders list, I submitted this order on January 7th. jtexpress tracking history shows that it arrived in Mexico 8 days later on January 15th. My package was out for delivery on January 20th, which was 13 days after I initially placed my order. I received a phone call from the JNT delivery person that they were attempting to make delivery. After delivery, I received confirmation via email that my package was delivered. It included a photo that showed the package being handed off to me directly. TEMU shipped my items in a simple sealed white plastic bag that had no additional protective packaging. The facial device was packaged in its own original rigid plastic container. One of the combs was wrapped in a bubble mailer, the other only came wrapped in a plastic sleeve. Although some of the items in my TEMU order included products that could be considered fragile, none of the items were missing or damaged. Overall, I am happy with both TEMU as a shopping platform and jtexpress as a courier for free delivery of items from China. I received my order in about 2 weeks. TEMU estimated that my package would arrive sometime between January 16th and February 6th. Although I would have appreciated additional bubble packaging for one of the fragile items in my package, I can't complain about the condition with which they were delivered. Even though I obviously can't speak to the quality of the items until I get a chance to use them, my initial impression is that they are exactly what I was expecting given the item descriptions and reviews left by other TEMU customers under each respective item.